we're gonna talk about my first anxiety attack or panic attack. Please, disclaimer, this was the only place where I could shoot this video, so you have to ignore the background sounds, please. Acha, coming to the story, my first anxiety attack, I think that was back when I was in first or second year. मैं इंग्लिश से उर्दू में वापस जाती हूँ. तो फर्स्ट ईयर या सेकेंड ईयर FSC में आई थिंक दैट्स व्हेन आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट एंग्जाइटी अटैक. एंड इट्स सच अ टैबू टॉपिक टू टॉक अबाउट. लाइक आई एम प्रीटी श्योर या तो कभी हर इंसान को या ऑलमोस्ट हर इंसान को, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द लोगों को या तो ज़िंदगी में पहले कभी एंग्जाइटी अटैक्स आ चुके हैं या अभी भी आते हैं या फ्यूचर में कभी ना कभी तो आएगा. एंग्जाइटी अटैक के जो लाइक some things that like indicators that you're having an anxiety attack. You might feel कि आपके hands जो हैं वो सुन हो गए हैं, numb हो गए हैं, या they're very heavy and like they don't feel as comfortably, you can't lift them that much. They feel very heavy, you feel numb. You can feel like you're being choked or you're choking, your throat is swollen and you can't breathe. Like you're having difficulty in breathing, it's getting harder for you to breathe. You could feel like this sort of helpless, deep despair का एक like state, एक heavy state आपके ऊपर आ जाता है, एक रिक्कत तारी हो जाती है, एक mental state में, एक heavy mental state में चला जाता है that completely engulfs you in this negative despair and helpless, hopeless feeling. You get like, you literally get like paralyzed with it, or you get like completely engulfed in it, like you can't move your entire, it's difficult for you to move from your position. Like if you're sitting, you can't make yourself stand up, you can't make yourself lie down. If you're lying down, you can't make yourself sit up and stand. It just freezes, paralyzes you almost in a state. It's not necessary कि आपको ये हो तो आपको anxiety attack आ रहा है, या इसमें से कोई सारे हों तो आ रहा है, या इसमें से कोई हो या ना. मतलब मैं obviously there is a lot of diversification, but जितना मैंने सुना है, जितना मैंने पढ़ा है, जितना मैंने खुद experience किया है, these are some typical signs that you're having an anxiety attack or a panic attack. So going to my story of my first anxiety attack. So my first anxiety attack was back when I was in, I guess, FSC, first year or second year. और वो कुछ इस तरह था कि I was lying in my bed and maybe I was watching a documentary like on my phone about like a crime, a very horrendous crime, or I was like listening to some sad music, I don't know, and maybe I had some negative thoughts क्योंकि वो कुछ अर्सा गुजर गया है and we tend to block out such memories. So I don't know what it was exactly that triggered it, but I have an idea. So I was just lying in my bed and like I was sitting, and then I just slowly went into a lying down position, and I felt my hands go numb and become very heavy, that I couldn't like pick up my arms, and my arms fell down, like just not fell down, but like they slowly went down, and like I started to get frozen in my position, and एक बहुत heavy deep despair की ना जैसे एक blanket like came over me completely, and I started to feel like I was getting engulfed into the bed. I was just like drowning into the bed, and I was just very deep into this. इन अंकल को भी आके सारी वाइब्स अभी ख़राब करेंगे. अभी फिर एक और लगाएंगे आवाज़. नहीं लगाई? Okay, back to the story. हाँ लगाएंगे. अच्छा, तो I felt like I was getting very engulfed into the bed, and there was like this deep, negative, hopeless, helpless, depressive किस्म का एक heavy सा cloud आ जाता है, heaviness एक आ जाती है. And then I started to feel my throat getting choked, like it was getting swollen, like I had difficulty breathing just thinking about it. And I was like, it was like getting really hard for me to breathe. I know I was breathing, सांस आ रही थी, लेकिन ऐसे लग रहा था कि नहीं आ रही. Like I felt choked, and like I was starting to take very deep breaths, आई वाज गेटिंग पैनिक्ड उससे ज़्यादा, मुझे उसको पता नहीं था कि ये हो क्या रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, कि ये इसको क्या कहते हैं, ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. मुझे आई वाज लाइक गेटिंग स्केयर्ड, तो उल्टा और इट वाज और ख़राब हो रहा था उसकी वजह से, क्योंकि मैं पैनिक भी करनी शुरू हो गई थी. तो अच्छा, और मुझे पता नहीं चला, एंड आई डोंट नो इफ देयर वाज अ रीज़न और नॉट, बट like tears started coming out of my eyes, and I was like crying ish, and it was getting weird. Then not weird, why do I say that, why am I calling such a thing weird? Not like it was getting bad. तो अच्छा, my sister was in the room next, and I wanted कि मैं किसी तरह उसको आवाज़ दूँ या उसको बुला लूँ, because like I didn't know what was happening. I was like, I'm dying or something's happening, I'm having a heart attack. मुझे पता नहीं था उस वक्त. तो मैं चाह रही थी मैं उसको किसी तरह बुला लूँ, but I was so paralyzed, and it was so difficult that I couldn't speak, and I couldn't call her. I couldn't utter the words and just call her. I couldn't make myself do it. मेरे हाथ में फ़ोन था. I was like, maybe I should just call her on the phone and मैं उसको वो आ जाएगी, but I couldn't do that as well. I just couldn't like move my body. I couldn't make myself do anything. I couldn't make myself sit. I couldn't make myself go there. I just couldn't. So I don't know. Maybe after like feeling all of that and like straight 10-15 minutes गुजर गए, और 10 minutes गुजर गए in that state, मैंने किसी तरह आवाज़ दी एक फातिमा को ज़ोर से, या शायद मैं रोना ज़्यादा शुरू हो गई थी तो उसको पता चल गया. She just came into the room and she saw me on my bed and in my state, and she rushed towards me and she was like, वो मुझे बस कह रही थी कि it's okay, it's gonna be okay, जैसे मतलब पैक नहीं कर रहे होते और कह रहे थे it's gonna be okay, you're fine, क्या हुआ. And she was like, क्या हुआ, उसको भी नहीं पता था, मुझे भी समझ आ रही थी. She was like, क्या हुआ, are you okay, you're gonna be okay, सांस लो, ठीक हो, stop crying. अच्छा, but उसको समझ नहीं आई थी कि क्या हो रहा है. तो she called my mom and she was like, I don't know, अम्मी पता नहीं Zaim को कुछ हो रहा है, she's crying and she's like yeah and वो, and but like I don't know, my mom भी वहीं लगी थी, just tell her to breathe, she's fine, you're okay, just breathe. और बहरहाल लिटरली जितना जल्दी वो एकदम से आया उतना जल्दी वो चला गया. Like all of a sudden it got better, my breathing got a little easier, I felt like I could move more, she was holding me, and I guess that eased it. And I was able to speak, and I was like, yeah, okay, I'm fine. And I got up and I was okay. So jitna jaldi aaya utna jaldi chala bhi gaya. I just think that these are things that we don't talk about, and they're very common actually, and they're very real. So today we're going to talk about anxiety and anxiety attacks, whatever is my learning of them. So a couple of days ago, why do I say this? Why do I start with such a robotic? Not a couple of days ago, कल की बात है, कल रात की बात है, परसों रात की बात है. I was sitting with someone and I was talking to them, and they like a grown up, ठीक है, not like a teenager or just like someone in their 30s 40s, ठीक है. And she just literally, she didn't have a word for it, but she was like, मुझे ये हो रहा है, like all of a sudden I get this deep despair and I can't breathe, and मुझे बहुत वो लग रहा होता है और ऐसा लग रहा होता है, बहुत negative thoughts होते हैं. And I was like, that's an anxiety attack. And I was like, in my mind, I was like, that's the definition of an anxiety attack. That's how I feel sometimes, you know. So, well, do you, I just like, I was like, क्या आपके हाथों में थोड़ी सी numbness फील होने शुरू होती है, क्या आपको ब्रीदिंग में डिफ़िकल्टी होती है उस वक्त, कि आपको इस तरह की फीलिंग. She was like, yes, that's what happens, yeah. I was like, okay, so that is basically called an anxiety attack. That's what I understand, that is called an anxiety attack. You're having an anxiety attack. She didn't have the words for it. So I was just talking to her, and I thought I'd make this video, like maybe you guys, somebody wants to know this stuff. So I have 4 things that I've learned on what to do when I have an anxiety attack, or when I'm having anxiety, or what are like my recommendations to anyone, like to keep in mind if you have a tendency to have anxiety attacks. So the number 1 thing is, when you're having an anxiety attack, please just focus on your breathing. ये आप अपने mind में बिल्कुल fix कर दें. You're not gonna like die, and it's not like कि आपको सांस नहीं आ रहा, आपको सांस आ रहा है. Just need to relax and focus on your breathing. What I do is I first, जैसे मुझे feel होता है कि I'm having difficulty breathing, मुझे थोड़ा सा anxiety वाली feeling आ रही है, it's starting to happen, I'm just like, just breathe, focus on your breathing. I start focusing on my breathing. I start taking deep, slow breaths. Take deep, slow, regular breaths and focus on your breathing. आप सांस breathing exercises होती हैं जो आप सीख सकते हैं और जिसको आप अपनी routine बना सकते हैं और एक habit बनाएं, सीख लें उनको. I'll link some or I'll give you the ones if you want. Breathing exercises different. आप breathing exercises सीखें and keep those in mind. And जैसे you feel like okay, something's starting to happen, just focus on your breathing and breathe deeply, slowly, and just focus on your breathing. Okay? Keep it steady, keep breathing, just think about breathing slowly, keep breathing. Focus on your breathing. एक तो इससे होता है कि आपको समझ आती है कि नहीं, आप पैनिक नहीं करते कि oh my god मुझे सांस आ रही है, आपको पता है कि मुझे सांस आ रही है. दूसरा ये होता है कि आप थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करना शुरू करते हैं क्योंकि आपका माइंड जो और 50-100 चीज़ों के ऊपर फोकस कर रहा था ना नेगेटिव, अब वो एक रिदम वाली चीज़ पे, स्टेडी चीज़ पे फोकस कर रहा है. उससे रिलैक्सिंग एक इफेक्ट आता है आपके ऊपर, आपके माइंड पे. ओके, सो कमिंग टू आवर पॉइंट नंबर 2, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक I think if you do this, 35% of your anxiety attack will finish. But this is very difficult. I was going to say the most difficult thing, but nothing is the most difficult. It's just like, it's very difficult to do. The second thing is to keep in mind is that you need to move. When you're in an anxiety attack, आप बेसिकली इनगल्फ हो रहे थे अपनी जगह पे, आप पैरालाइज हो जाते हो और आप वहाँ से हिल नहीं सकते. और वो जो सारी टॉक्सिक इन्वायरमेंट और एनर्जी है ना, वो उस जगह पे फिक्स हुई है. इफ़ यू बिलीव इन एनर्जीज एंड स्टफ, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वो सारी एनर्जी आपकी वहाँ उस स्टेट पे फिक्स हुई है. वो आपने अपना स्टेट चेंज किया ना, अपनी पोजीशन चेंज की, आपने अपनी जगह चेंज की, 35% of your anxiety will finish because that energy will be left behind. That thought, that process, that negative loop will stay behind, and you will focus on something like getting up or like anything. Just change, just push yourself. इतना मुश्किल होता है ये करना उस वक्त क्योंकि आप इतने स्टेट में होते हैं. लेकिन you have to understand कि जितना ये माइंड, this is all in your mind, okay? So you can control your mind. You need to understand that you can control your mind. You just have to be strong enough to do it. So just somehow start pushing your hands in a position back, and then just push yourself up. If you're sitting, if you're lying down, push yourself to sit, push yourself to stand up. Just do it. Just really try hard and do it. And once you're out of your state, when you were lying down to sitting to standing से walking से getting out of that room, going somewhere else. And I really recommend कि जब आपको ये हो, आप बाहर निकल जाएं. क्योंकि अच्छा, this is personally for me, maybe it's not for you, but personally for me, going like the outdoors, the greenery, the sky, the air, the fresh air, it makes me feel really good. Like I love being out in the like nice weather and like surrounded with nature. So do that if that is your thing as well. Get into like nature, like just push yourself to go out somehow, one step at a time. Don't कि भाई फाइनल अब ये ना सोचो कि मैं लेटा हूँ और अब मैंने उठ के बाहर लॉन में बैठ जाना. आप बस फोकस करें, मैंने किसी तरह पुश करके अपने आप को बैठना है, किसी तरह बस मैंने खड़े होना है, किसी तरह बस मैंने अगला कदम लेना है और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता अपने बाहर जाना है. वो मोशन में जो आपकी थॉट है ना, एक तो आपका थॉट साइकिल ब्रेक करता है, दूसरा आप अपनी एनर्जी उस वजह से आप किसी और जगह पे फोकस करते हैं. जब आप एक एटमॉस्फेयर अपना डिफरेंट करते हैं ना, नेचर इज़ ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव इन माई ओपिनियन. जब आप नेगेटिव एनर्जी और नेगेटिव एनवायरनमेंट वहीं बेड पे छोड़ के या वहीं चेयर पे छोड़ के वहीं छोड़ के आप एक पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट में आ जाते हैं, तो आपकी एंग्जाइटी बहुत रिड्यूस हो जाती है. इतनी हो जाती है कि आप कंट्रोल वापस गेन कर लेते हैं. लेकिन यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड यू हैव टू ट्राई, यू रियली हैव टू ट्राई. ओके, सो द थर्ड पॉइंट, आई एम सॉरी दिस वीडियोज़ गेट अ लिटिल लॉन्ग, बट मुझे ये होता है कि मैं अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन अच्छे तरीके से करूँ और आपको इसका फ़ायदा हो सके. That's why I talk a lot. Maybe I ramble and I like go into unnecessary details, but it's so that you understand. एक बाहर बिल्लियाँ मुझे नज़र आ रही हैं जो बहुत डर लगता है बिल्लियों से. Okay, anyways, so the third point is hold on to something or someone. Okay, so I feel like it gives me comfort क्योंकि आप उस वक्त पैनिक भी कर रहे होते हैं. To reduce that panic in an anxiety attack will worsen the situation. People, do not panic, please. That's why I told you to breathe, focus on your breathing. So that is to relax yourself. अच्छा, ये ना to hold on to something or someone, that is to comfort you. ठीक है, you need comfort at that time because you feel scared or like all of these feelings are like correlated. So like fears, being scared, panicking, anxiety, all of these are more correlated. So you need things to oppose them. You need positive energy. You need comfort. तो मुझे इसलिए था कि मैं फातिमा अपनी बहन को बुलाऊँ because like going to like she was going to be another person who I can touch. I really strongly believe in human touch, that is a very good source of comfort. So like hold on to your pillow, hold on to a blanket, hold something in your hands when you're like feeling anxiety or panic. Just hold on to something. For me this works. I don't know about if it will work for you. I hope it does. But just hold on to something. Hold on to the ground. Hold on to the things around you. Just hold on. Your world is not shaking. It just gives you this reaffirmation that it's gonna get better. It's like you have to hold on for support or like comfort. Just do that. Like, I do that. Try. अगर कोई आपके करीब हो, आपके बहन भाई हों, आपकी अम्मी हों, अबू हों, कोई दोस्त हों, just like hold on to them. Hold on to their hand. बाद में जो आपको अगर awkward लगे या जो भी, वो देखा जाएगा, वो हो जाता है, इतनी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं. लेकिन उस वक्त just hold on to them, okay? Just hold on to them tight. It gives you comfort. It gives you strength to fight the rest of the anxiety attack. Okay. Point number 4. Point number 4 is verbally अपने आप को reaffirm करना और बार बार बताना out loud that you are okay, things will be okay. मुझे ये बाद में पता चला कि ये मैं करती हूँ, लेकिन I was doing this for like I kept on doing this, but then later on I realized consciously कि हाँ I do this. When I get panicked or something and I'm focusing on my breathing कि भैया just breathe. I keep telling myself you're okay, you're gonna be fine, relax, you're okay. और मैं दिल में नहीं बोल रही थी, मैं ऊंचा बोल रही थी ताकि मेरी कानों तक आवाज़ जाए और मुझे कन्फर्मेशन हो कि everything is fine, क्योंकि उस वक्त आपको everything doesn't feel fine. तो you just think of everything is going to be fine. दो तरीके से ये आपके साथ होता है. एक तो you're listening to the words that you are fine and everything is going to be fine. One way is like you're saying it, you're reaffirming it that you are fine and everything is going to be fine. So you keep saying it out loud so you can hear it. अपनी confirmation के लिए, अपने आप को ease में डालने के लिए that you are okay, everything is going to be okay. You don't have to say these specific words, but whatever, like एक तकिया कलाम बना लें अपना कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपने क्या चीज़ आपके लिए वर्क करती है. Know yourself. For me this works. I focus on my breathing and I keep telling myself साथ Zainab, you're fine, you'll be okay, you're fine, you're okay. उस वक्त आप थोड़े से अजीब लग रहे होंगे अगर कोई इर्द-गिर्द आता है, वरना लेकिन आपके लिए it's gonna work so much. And say it out loud. You need to say it out loud because you need to hear yourself saying it. So these are my 4 points. I hope they help you. I hope really like you took some help from this video. Secondly, like another thing that I want to say is just like physical exercise and physical health, आप जब पहली दफ़ा ज़िंदगी में पुशअप करेंगे ना तो आप नहीं कर सकेंगे, ये आपके लिए बहुत मुश्किल होगा अगर आप कर भी लें. लेकिन अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ना working out की slowly for a lot of time, so one day you will be able to do it and then you can do a physical exercise well. So mental health is similar. For having good mental health, you need to do exercises and you need to practice those exercises for a long, like continuously. ये नहीं होता कि आप कहें कि मुझे एंजाइटी अटैक आएगा तो अब मुझे ये इन्फॉर्मेशन है तो अब मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, मुझे करना आता है पुशअप तो मैं कर लूँगा. नहीं, मुझे पता है कि एंजाइटी अटैक में क्या करते हैं तो मैं कर लूँगा. नहीं, आपको ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस अपनी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती हैं. पहली दफ़ा में नहीं होगा, आपको हर एंजाइटी अटैक में बार बार अपने आपको करना पड़ेगा. माइंड में सिर्फ ले भी आए ना अपनी ये थॉट कि मैंने करना है और अगली टाइम उस वक्त ना कर सके तो आप अगली टाइम. बट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दिस. You have to practice your mental health. You have to practice your mental exercises. You have to practice positive thinking. You have to practice a good attitude. You have to practice forgiveness. You have to practice these good mental health habits. Anything and everything. And they happen gradually over time to get a good mental health. It's not magic. It's not just like if you know things, it will happen that way. Okay? So this is very important. Last but not least is what do you do after the anxiety attack? During your anxiety attack, you just have to focus on, like, get the point of, don't focus on this, but like the point of it is to get through it and get out of it, like get on the other side of this. Once you have, uske baad, after some time, like maybe the next day or in the week, in the following week, what do you do? What's the aftermath of this? I personally recommend कि आप please अपना trigger identify करें. Identify what happened just before the anxiety attack. What were the thoughts? What were you thinking of? What happened that caused that, or what that caused you to go to that state? Please identify your triggers. It's very important. Once you've identified your triggers, I suggest you form a series of thoughts, or uh, this chain of alternative thoughts, that whenever you come to that negative thought or that negative point, you know कि भाई अब मैंने इसको कहीं और लेके जाना है. ठीक है, आप खुद पहले से रेडीमेड ना क्रिएट कर लें कि भाई नहीं, एक अपने साथ तैयार कर लें कि जब मैं इस पॉइंट पे पहुंचूँ तो अब मैंने जब इस ट्रिगर पे पहुंचा तो मैंने क्या रोड इख्तियार करनी है, किधर जाना है, ताकि मैं इधर नहीं जाऊँ, क्योंकि मैंने एंगजाइटी पे नहीं जाना. दैट इज़ नॉट समथिंग आई रियली लाइक. इफ़ यू लाइक हैविंग एन एंगजाइटी अटैक, गो फॉर इट. अच्छा, you have to prevent your triggers, and developing a positive attitude, these things, developing a positive alternative thing to it, and identifying your triggers. This is very important for in the aftermath of your anxiety attack, to prevent any future anxiety attacks. I hope this helps. Tell me your story of your first anxiety attack or any anxiety attack that you've had. If you're okay and you're open to talking about it, tell me if this video was of any use to you. It really helps. Do like, comment, subscribe, and share it with people, because honestly, you might not need this right now, but someone else might, and maybe I can't reach them, but maybe you can be the wasila that it goes to them. It reaches this thing reaches them. Maybe they might need it us waqt. You never know. So just like share it around with people, and subscribe for more content, and comment. Like, literally, it means the world. It helps me in engaging with my audience. It gives me this thing ki bhai haan, like I'm being, like, this is coming to some use. So like, comment, subscribe, share, follow, do all that jazz, and I really, really hope that it helped. Bye.